This is the current state of digital content, an industrialized process where automated systems generate thousands of articles per second, turning the act of writing into a mass-produced commodity. For decades, the path to search visibility was a predictable, manual exercise. You identified a static keyword and produced a long-form article specifically to rank for that one term. Generative AI has effectively dismantled this model. With LLMs capable of creating infinite volumes of text instantly, the value of manual content production has collapsed as users shift toward natural language queries answered directly by the engine. Success in this environment requires solving for the structural design of the information itself, as the sheer volume of AI-generated content makes simple publication irrelevant. The 2026 Brighton SEO conference highlighted a significant shift in how the industry is trying to keep up. Over 100 new tools have launched recently, but nearly all of them are dedicated strictly to monitoring where brands appear in AI answers. This creates a critical bottleneck. The market is flooded with dashboards, but the work of fixing a brand's invisibility piles up at the monitoring stage. Observation without intervention leaves a total visibility gap. Tracking failure does nothing to change a language model's understanding. Solving for this gap requires the skills of a marketing engineer, a role focused on building the technical infrastructure that connects brand data to the engines that recommend it. Manual marketing efforts lack the scale to interface with the billions of variables these engines process every second. Sustaining visibility now depends on engineering an automated infrastructure that operates at the same velocity as the AI itself. The first layer of this architecture involves identifying the specific logic of buyer intent. It's about understanding exactly what a human user needs from the AI before they even submit the query. The workflow used by Dept automates this by scraping intent data and synthesizing buyer personas. They use these inputs to construct the complex semantic prompts that real buyers are actually using. This moves the target from a simple keyword like best ergonomic keyboard to a nuanced query. I've struggled with wrist pain for months while working in the office. What keyboard would you recommend? High visibility architecture requires this level of contextual intent. Without these specific queries, the system has no clear goal to optimize for. Layer 2 is the proprietary knowledge moat, the information that distinguishes a brand from the rest of the web. Relying on public web data creates a disadvantage. Standard SEO content is indistinguishable to an LLM. Brands must extract dark data, internal call transcripts, SME knowledge, and unique datasets inaccessible to web crawlers. This exclusive data layer is the primary variable that makes a brand distinctive to an AI engine, providing the unique evidence the LLM needs to make a recommendation. The final layer is agent orchestration, the system that executes the visibility strategy at scale. A central orchestrator agent receives a goal, like increase AI citations by 15%, and coordinates execution. It deploys specialist agents for content, technical SEO, and design. This automated loop continuously feeds proprietary knowledge into the LLM ecosystem, ensuring visibility. The marketer's role in this system is to manage and refine the autonomous factory, ensuring the machine's output aligns with the brand's strategic goals. Once this architecture is running, focus shifts to measuring the true financial results of the machine. Standard platforms like GA4 often fail here. They are designed for direct attribution, missing the return visits and referral lift that AI citations drive in the background. To solve this, AIP Media uses the revenue influence factor. Regression modeling compares directly tracked revenue against the total impact of referral and direct traffic growth. The methodology reveals a 1.8 times multiplier, meaning actual revenue from AI visibility is nearly double traditional dashboards. Organizations relying on traditional analytics are making investment decisions based on fundamentally underreported data, overlooking nearly half of their real impact. This shift toward automated marketing systems is an inevitable technical evolution, replacing manual effort with high-velocity engineering. Search marketing has matured into a technical discipline, requiring deep systems thinking to remain visible as AI becomes the primary interface for users. The period where brands could rely on manual content volume to drive growth has concluded. Market dominance will depend on the integrity of the proprietary knowledge layer and the efficiency of the orchestration system used to deploy it.